What are we waiting for? Bring the deal. Let's get it done already. I'm a professional in this field.
You'll be putting on clothes at your back. You'll be putting on that clothes at your back on this journey. The nature of the job is clearly stated in the brown envelope. If you have been briefed about, I wish you luck.
Bros.
Very well then. You will hear from me. You have thrown the bones to the dogs. The rest will be history.
This house is survived.
Let's go. No.
Alright, let's shoot.
Now understanding, Sha. If they agree, say they no go born.
Are we good? Are we good?
Let's go though.
No, let's shoot.
Let me come and dab.
Let's go. Let's go. Good.
Sound.
It's over us. Let's go. Son, are we good? Alright, continue. Let's go.
I beg now by choice, Jerry.
All right,
Continue. Slate.
Bube, go and come.
My brother, I go marry you. My old age.
Enough. Let's go.
Call it.
Guy, Alpha Kiss don't do.
All right, 53 CUs. D, your line, 53 CUs.
Standing by you.
EP, man.
I'm going.
Now you.
Hey, I don't know shoot.